walls hoping you come. It's just a cruel existence, like it's no point hoping at all. Baby, baby, you're crazy. All night and every day. Give me something, but you say nothing. What has happened in the night? I don't wanna live forever, 'cause I know I've been living in pain, and I don't wanna live forever. I just wanna be better than that. The bullet or just lost the love of my life. Oh, baby, I feel crazy all night and every day. I feel this, I'm a baby, what is empty faces. All night and every day. I've been looking inside in all the nicest places. Give me something, but you say nothing. Now I'm in a cab, I'll tell them where your place is. What is happening tonight?
This place, but I don't wanna leave here if you're just gonna stay. Changing like the seasons, been wasting all this time. Should be like satellites cast beyond the sky. Leave our fate for another day. Riding these horizons, we'll find our way. We'll leave our fate and fade into the night. Follow me to paradise. Say we try. Say the word and we can run around the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can stay. Forget about that better place. And I know you're feeling, 'cause I know the feeling. The streets stop breathing. I don't wanna say.
guys have enjoyed this plan with me. If you're wondering, this kit is the Northern Lights kit from SaucyStickersCo. If you are interested in purchasing this kit or something like it, I will leave the link to the shop down below so you can browse the shop for yourself. I fell in love with the colors for this kit, and I've been obsessed with Galaxy stuff lately, so I really wanted to do this Galaxy kit this week. And I even got the Little Greatest Showman quote over here, Rewrite the Stars, because I'm absolutely in love with that song right now. So if you like the way this spread turned out, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below what your favorite part of the spread is. And I have been slacking on shouting out people in the comments, so thank you to Downtown 7th Avenue Handbag, Theadia, Mandy Plans, Patty Frame, D Planner Girl, Nikita BX2, Natalia Bowers, and Coyote Wildflower for commenting in my last few planner videos. I really appreciate when you guys comment down below, and it makes me so happy to read your comments. So don't forget to leave those comments down below with any video requests you may have, or if you just want to say hi, I will always reply to your comments. And speaking of support, I just want to say thank you guys so much because we have reached 300 subscribers on this channel. Big shout out to Cindy from Llama Letters on Instagram, who created a planner community playlist to support us smaller planner girls here on YouTube. If you're interested in the playlist, I will have that link down below so you can go support other smaller planners. I would really love if you guys could go support them as well. And if you're new here from that playlist, hi, my name is Ivy and I do planner videos here on YouTube, and I also am working on doing some other more creative content coming this year. I'll give you guys a hint, it has to do with a journal and a whole bunch of art. So stay tuned for that, and if you're interested in seeing that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you want to see what's coming up next week in my planner, then you're in luck because you made it to the end of this video. So for the next week in my planner, I will be using this Valentine kit from Firefly Paper Shop. I fell in love especially with this full box and the colors and the actual like chocolates and stuff in this kit. And also this quote, all you need is love and Wi-Fi. All I need is Wi-Fi, honestly. So if you are interested in seeing when I do post this spread, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you officially become part of the Ivy League. Until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!
I'm not kidding.